Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to perform multiple files upload using Angular in ASP.NET MVC. So guys, what is multiple files upload and what are the benefits? So multiple files upload means the user can select multiple files at a time. So it will scan an individual files upload progress, and files upload will be faster as compared to the traditional way which we followed earlier in ASP.NET. So that is the benefits of using ASP.NET MVC and Angular for multiple files upload. So here I have one upload button. So this one supports and lets the user select multiple files to upload, and each file will be tracked, which is based on its upload progress. And we can check the file name, path, extension, size and status. So the status message is based on the file upload to the destination or not. So guys, here I have put few steps here. So step 1 is, that is, we need to add CSS and JS files. Okay, I'll go to my Visual Studio. So in Visual Studio, guys, in content folder, if you expand, there is a Bootstrap related CSS files. So all the files are not required, only I have added the bootstrap dot minified version of CSS. Okay, if you want, you can download all these files, bootstrap related files, from the internet and Bootstrap official site. Second is, we need to add some JS files, that is inside the scripts folder, that is the minified version of Angular JS and jQuery hyphen minified version of JS, and there is one more is jQuery unobtrusive hyphen ajax dot minified version of JS file. So these are the files we need to add for these applications. If you want, you can download all these files from the official site of jQuery and Angular. So second point is, we need to add the JavaScript files, image upload, multiple controller.js and module.js. So here in scripts folder, I have added one or created one folder called practical, and there I have added two JS files. One is image upload, multiple controller.js and module.js. So these are the straightforward things. So I'll show you that image upload multiple controller.js file. So guys, in this file, this part controls file upload progress and tracking of the file using Angular. So this the module to develop our Angular control is used for a file upload, and the code is an Angular controller with the set file function. Okay, that is this one. So here now we get multiple files, that is this one, right? So this one for will get the multiple files, and that each files will be on loop to get the length of this file. Okay, and so here image upload multiple CTRL is the controller in the JS file, that is Angular controller. So the $scope variable file list is an array of files which we have selected here. Okay, that is this one. And so this ends our step 1. Run the project and select the multiple files by pressing Ctrl key, and you will find the effect below, that the code given here in an Angular controller with upload file function here, that is nothing but this one. So here I have mentioned upload file individual function with the assigned parameter, which is similar to the properties of the files, that is this one. These are the parameters is file to upload, name, type, size and index. Okay, and these parameters are like name, type or extension, size of the file. So I have developed an upload function with the XML HTTP request. So this is nothing but it is an API which provides the client functionality to transfer the data between the client and server. It provides an easy way to retrieve the data from a URL without having to do a full page refresh. So XML HTTP request was originally designed by Microsoft and is supported by Mozilla, Apple and Google. So I chose XML HTTP request for the reason that is it provides us asynchronous upload of the multiple files. It provides a way for tracking the progress of each file. So I have all the files in an array named file list. Okay, that is so loop through the file list to get each file from the list with the name, size, type, and send all to another method, another function to upload. So add two functions at our controller, that is in our image upload multiple controller.js file. One is upload file, okay, and this function calls when we click on upload button, and second one is upload file individual. So it has four parameters like file to upload, name, type, size, index. It is responsible to upload an individual files and takes four parameters, that is the file to upload, file name, file type, size, and index. So here we created one object, that is XML HTTP request, and the event handler, that is nothing but this one. So there is four event handler I have used, that is one for progress, a load, error, and abort. So these are the types of, and each type is related to the corresponding methods or functions, okay. And second is we have this request object dot open, and this is for set a method of post request, and URL to call and is asynchronous as to true. So here you can see here in open use open method. So this is the method as a post method, and this is the controller, and this is the action method in the MVC we will create, and this is the true. We have set it as is asynchronous as a true. Here we need to set up here. So set content type at request header for file upload. Its value must be multiple slash form-data. That is nothing but this one. And set other headers like file name, size, and type. And after then we need to send the file using the send method. So there is three methods or functions will be used. One is upload progress, that is when the file upload is in progress. So this method will be executed, and it will be, there is an icon of a speed which will be identify that the file upload is in progress. So in upload progress function I have mentioned the caller of the progress control, and when the upload completes it will display spinner icon until the server sends back a response, okay. And the event mentioned here, that is the upload complete, it will be raised when the server sends back a response, and it will save the status as saved with the color as a green. Same way for upload failed. So upload failed means it will display the message as upload failed with red icon due to some server stopped or due to some internal issues. If file upload not successful, it display the file upload failed. Same way for file upload cancelled. So due to some reason, if the file upload is cancelled by the user, so display as file upload is that is cancelled with a red icon. So these are all used for status message, and these methods we have called in our event handler, in our event listener here. So using this method I have used three methods I have called here. Four methods. One is upload progress, upload complete, upload failed, and upload cancelled. So XML HTTP request object returns the status of each event of each file. By writing an event handler function, we can access return status. So we can add event listener method of XML HTTP request object to handle the event. So XML HTTP request raises an event and at the different status of uploading. One is progress. So it is raised when during the upload progress and sends us the necessary information on the progress status. Second is load. It is raised after the uploaded file is saved at the destination and the server sends back a response. Third is error. It is raised immediately if any error occurs during the upload. Fourth is abort. So it raises immediately if the user cancels the upload process. So this code is described how to develop an upload functionality with XML HTTP request. So this is the code for image upload a multiple controller.js file. So I'll scroll top to bottom to capture the code. Yeah, this ends here. So next file is module.js file. So I'll go to the module.js file. So here guys, I use the module to develop Angular controller for file upload. So this is the one line of code I have used here. So this is the code for a module.js file. Next step is we need to add a controller. So go to the controller section, file upload controller.cs. So here guys, ASP.NET MVC controller helps to receive the object sent by the XML HTTP request. So there's two namespace we need to add here, and this is the controller name, and which derived from the controller base class. And there is one get request for upload multiple files, and a post request that's upload files. So here notice guys, I assigned the code to add the headers, that is we get the request from XML HTTP request, right? So there is the file name, file size and file type using the request header, that is x-5 file name, x-file size, x-file type. And the upload file path I have given here, that is D drive, and inside D drive I have added one folder, that is images. So the save functionality is written here. This file stream is I have added the save to file location. So this value I have used here as pass parameter, file mode.create and file access.read write. So these three lines I have used for save the file functionality. So this is the code for file upload controller.cs file. So I'll drag top to bottom to capture the code. This ends here. So guys, here step 4 is we need to create a view called upload multiple file.cshtml. So guys, here based on our controller, so here there is one our view is upload multiple files. So based on this action method we need to create a view. So this view is available if we expand those views, file upload and upload multiple file.cshtml. So I used here some HTML input tag using ASP.NET MVC to input multiple or single files upload. So here guys, is noticed here that is ng-app. So this is I have assigned to ag app, right? So in module.js, you remember this name I have given here inside our module.js file, that is ag app. Okay, that is the module name. So same name we need to add here in ag-app. So ng-controller we need to add this image upload multiple ctrl. So this name we have used in our image upload multiple controller. There's nothing but the name of controller in Angular. Okay. So it specifies that is the controller for this page which contains the code to show the selected file information and file upload function. So here you have noticed that is the input file, that is our button. Okay, that's nothing but our upload button here. So we need to type an ID and a name of the file, multiple unchanged. We need to add this set file of this assigned to multiple unchanged. Okay, and accept the image, and this is the button hyphen primary as the Bootstrap CSS. This enables us to input the multiple files and unchanged event we call set file function, which is an Angular function. This function collects all the files which you have selected and put it into $scope variable named file list. We loop through the file list by table row, that is ng-repeat file in file list to show the file information. So each file has three auto property names, types and sizes. So these three properties of files can be accessed directly. So to implement the Bootstrap functionality and CSS class, we need to add this path to our Bootstrap minified version of CSS. Okay, and there is some style we have implement for table TDH and table row and button. So these are the things for style for button and table control. And most important thing is we need to add the JS files. So this we need to add for the path to our JS file. First two line of this JS path for loading the jQuery, and second one the Angular minified version JS to loading the Angular JS, and this is our module.js which we have created. It will load our Angular application, and this one is for load the page controller, that is image upload multiple controller.js file. So there is one more code for button to upload the files and save it to the destination, that is ng-click upload files. Okay, so it will be this method we have called in and assigned to the ng-click, and this is for upload button. So this method or function we already have created inside the image upload multiple controller.js file. And if you'll go here for table, there is table header for different property name. There is file name, file type and file size and status, and it will be this value will be loop through for each file in file list and display the file name, access the file name, type and size. And here there is one more line, that is $index. Okay, so this part will be show the status, that is the file upload progress. It will be in progress and it will display the count and the status of upload files. So basically this is the status part. It will show the file progress count and the status of the uploaded files. So this is all about the code for upload multiple file.css.html. So here the code starts here. So I'll scroll to down. Yeah, the code ends here. So step 5 is we need to add the maximum upload length in web.config. So guys, I'll go to the web.config of my solution explorer. So here we need to change the maximum upload length in config in web.config in system.web section, and change the HTTP in the way as we have mentioned here. So first of all, in system.web section there is one HTTP runtime target framework, and there we need to add one property name max request length, and we need to set the value as shown here. Same way for system.web server. Inside system.web server we need to add this section security, request filtering, request limits, and there is we need to add this property max allowed content length, and we need to set this value and close this tags as well. So the value max request length in system.web and max allowed content length in system.web server must be the same. So this is all for web.config set length. Step 6 is we need to set the start page. So I'll go to the app_start folder, route config. So here we need to add the controller name, file upload, and the version name is upload multiple file. Okay, So this is how to set the start page. So these are all the steps 1 to 6 I have covered. So I'll show you the output. Let's run the application. So guys, this is the output of my application. Okay, so we have one upload control button and the table control here. So first of all, I'll start uploading my files. So I'll select all the files using Control A, and you can see it show 4 files with the count, and what are the 4 files uploaded. So it is showing the image file name, file type, and the file size. So if you put our mouse on the 4 files of upload control, it also same as so as the what are the files upload is in progress. Okay, and when I click on upload, so see here it will start us as saved here. That means these files are uploaded successfully. So make sure I'll go to my D drive images. So see here my images is available here also here, right? So if I'll delete these files from my D drive images and go to my and refresh it, so this time I'll select only 3 files. So control image 1, image 2, and image 3. Click on it, will display 3 files and it will show the 3 file names, and this 3 file names showing, file type, file size. Click on upload. So see here status shows as saved. I'll go to my D drive, so I can see this in my D drive images. I can see the uploaded files, image 1, image 2, and image 3. Okay, and let's check for count of status, that is we have discussed, that is p plus $index, right? If it is uploaded is in progress. So I'll refresh it. So guys, we already have 3 files, right? We need to add the one more file. So to show that count, I'll put the breakpoint here. Okay, and I'll refresh it. So click on upload button, and this image 4 I need to select. Okay, so this image 4 is showing in the table. Click on upload. So I'll put here a step over F10. So check here the file, it will show us the some count. So see here it is saved as though it is one file, so that count is not showing here. So I'll show one more time. Okay, I'll refresh it. So what I'll do is from D drive images I'll delete all my files. So again I'll start uploading. Okay, so choose files, and from this is the different path, right, where I have the images I need to select, and these are the files is showing here I need to upload. So see here, so as I put here the breakpoint and it is uploaded is in progress, so it's showing some 89, right? So put here step over, check this file. So step over. So see here the count is gone. I think so it is in the next step to upload. See here the breakpoint and the control where it is coming. So see here Image 1 is saved successfully, and image 2, 3, 4 it is in progress. So see here, image 4 is saved. Because this file says for this image 2 files is in less as per the compared to this 2 and 3, that's why it is saved first the image 1, then image 4. So image 3 is saved. Okay, if we'll go to my D drive images, so it will display all the images. So see here, image 2 also saved. So see here, in my D drive images all the images are available. So in my output I already have shown you that is the what the status is saved and how the status will be as the shows as a count if it is in progress. So I'll check about how the upload failed will be shown here. So what I'll do is I'll copy this. Okay, I'll press it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll stop my debugging here, or stop the server of Visual Studio. Go to this, upload here. So before that I need to delete my D drive images destination folder and upload here. Remember I have stopped my debugging, or Visual Studio is not running. Okay, so I'll upload this file, image 1, image 2. So displaying, if I'll select upload, so see here upload failed, right? Because I have stopped my debugging, or Visual Studio is not running, so that it's not responding to the server, or whatever the HTML HTTP request, it's not getting the proper request from the JS file, so that the upload is failed. That means this file is not saved successfully to my D drive images. See here, so it shows empty. So like way we can display the status for file successfully saved and file upload is failed. So guys, here the output we have already covered here. Let's go to my presentation. So here I have created one Angular for multiple files upload, and I use this Angular file in MVC to perform multiple files upload, and the Bootstrap to make the responsive design. So I'll display this Bootstrap. Let's go here, right click on inspect element. So here, see here, different devices. Based on that the screen is responsive, and it will be adjust is width and height based on the screen device, right? That means our application supports the Bootstrap responsive design. Okay guys, so I'll go to my presentation. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.